Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're over here in the Cascade Cabins, guys. We're over in the Wilderness Lodge Resort, and we got lucky enough today to be able to go in and shoot one of the cabins for you today. So as you can see, they got the open house model right there. So this is actually an open house. You guys are going to come in. If you guys are looking to buy DVC, this is the place you want to go. And this is one of the salesmen here you guys want to talk to.
Hello.
So as you guys were walking in, you see the space in here? This place is just incredible. We've been in here a few times now, so it's really open. You come in, you're greeted with the Mickey head right on the table with the plates, guys. You've got a little kitchen off to the side. You've got your cutting board right in the middle here, your service table there. You've got a big table, enough for the whole family and friends. Out back, you guys got a heck of a view. You're looking over the whole waterway back there. And if you guys get lucky, you can see the boat and you see the hawk right there in the tree right there greeting you. But you got the boat that goes over to the Magic Kingdom from the Wilderness Lodge. But you see the hawk out there, guys? That's kind of cool to see that. You got the big fireplace, which is a dual side fireplace. So you can be outside or inside and look right in with the nice big old TV on top. Big open concept ceiling in here, guys. You got the artwork on the wall, and true to the Wilderness Lodge, you've got the wood all around, like you're in a big cabin somewhere. So this is a really, really nice option if you guys are looking to go DVC. Now, once again, DVC, I'd recommend it to everybody, guys. If you guys are looking to stay, you like to come down a lot, or just like to come down every couple of years, going DVC, you guys got that nice points option, and I'll tell you what, guys, it's never going to depreciate in value. That's one great thing about the DVC. They keep it, you end up getting the place, and your points are always worth what you paid for them, even if you guys want to get rid of them. And you'll get rid of them super fast if you want to, guys. You've got your laundry, that's your bathroom. You've got a laundry in the hall. You've got your closets, guys. You've got a couple of bedrooms in here. This here is your master bedroom, or your suite here, and this is gonna outlook right over onto the little, it's like a deck, but it's the patio out back, and that's all covered. So if you guys wanna have some kind of recreation at nighttime, hang out, just shoot all the stuff you saw during the day, you can do it all out there, guys. In here, nice big old bedroom, nice artwork right on top of the bed, guys. You've got your dressers as always, your TV, and then you got your ensuite right in here, guys. So you've got this nice ensuite with the totally separate toilet in there, guys. A nice step-in shower. This is a nice walk-in shower. Once again, Disney's done away with all the little soaps. So the soaps are right on the wall, guys. You use that, you just take it, you push it, you're done. You don't got to worry about all them little travel-size soaps making a mess in here. And the nice thing is the soap is a nice upgrade. We actually just got done using that, and it makes you feel all tingly when you use it. So the soaps here, really nice. They've got their little, that's an incredible bathtub there, guys. Once again, a nice big old mirror. His and hers sinks in here, guys. And then walking out, we got one more bedroom to look at right across the hallway, guys. And if you guys can see, you got that sofa right in the window jamb here, guys. And it looks like you got storage down below here. You got the pull-out bed, and you've got Chip and Dale right on the inside, guys. So if you weren't using that, you can actually flip that up. You've got the TV. You've got the bed over here, nice sized closets. And once again, this is the Cascade Cabins, guys. It's another option that the DVC has over here at the Wilderness Lodge, guys. So this has been the Cascade Cabins, guys. We're gonna see you on the next one. Keep posted. As we get these resort stuff put out there for you guys, we'll keep letting you know, and we're gonna keep doing some shorts showing you guys this stuff. But as always, subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Come on out. Thanks.